Welcome to Roberts Farm Equipment. My name is Mike Anderson. I'm part of the New Holland sales team here at Roberts. We have the full New Holland product offering at our stores here in Chesley, in Mount Forest, and in Walton. Specifically today, we want to showcase three T6 models that we currently have in the Roberts inventory. We're going to start with the 4-cylinder T6 145. This is a great tractor because it has the amenities of our T6 tractor line combined with a 4-cylinder efficient engine. That's a great combination. Moving along to the 6-cylinder T6s we have here in stock. This is the T6 160. That's 160 engine horsepower. That translates to about 110 PTO horsepower. And we also have its big sister, the T6 180, that's 180 engine horsepower and 126 PTO horsepower. Welcome to the Horizon cab that is. This state-of-the-art cab offers the widest view in the industry, also the greatest comfort level. That ultimate comfort level includes a very, very low 69 dBA noise level, the lowest you'll find anywhere, as well as the Comfort Ride suspension. As mentioned earlier, this is the perfect time to be looking for one of these tractors. We have a fantastic fleet of these T6s in the Roberts inventory, and for the month of March and the month of April, we're offering some great deals, folks. It includes a 5-year, 3,000-hour powertrain warranty, a 12-month inspection program, a telematic subscription, and a 3-year annual maintenance plan, all wrapped into the deal. Highly encourage you to reach out to your local New Holland location, whether it be in Walton, whether it be in Chesley, whether it be in Mount Forest, and talk to one of the New Holland sales reps, and they can put this all together for you. Some great stuff right now. Bottom line is this: whether you're a cash customer, a low APR customer, or a lease customer, our sales reps are positioned to offer you the best deal in the market right now. Again, March and April, the time to buy some great T6 tractors here at Roberts.